Hello friends, so I'm back with my Excel. As I promised in my last video that I will be coming back in the next video wherein I will be talking about Vlookup in conjunction to some other function. So yes, I'm back here. I'll be talking today about Vlookup using with match, M-A-T-C-H, match. That's another command which makes it dynamic and very interesting. So let's see how it works. Alright, so if you remember, in last video I named this as revenue, which is there. Perfect. I have done one more thing this time. I have named this entire row of the headers as header. Right. So we will be using this in today's command. So that is why it is there. Right. So let's go to sheet 2. Sheet 2 has a few names out of this entire data. So to find out April's revenue of this particular gentleman, we can use Vlookup command. But we want a little different this time. So the requirement is whenever we change the name of the header, the details should change. Like if I have selected April, it should give me details of April. If I select May, it should give me details of May. If I select June, it should give me details of June. So let us see how it works. Alright, so again coming back to basics, equal, so our name is there. I'll press tab, lookup value. So I'm looking for details of this particular gentleman. So I'll select this name, comma, table array. Remember, the name of the entire array is revenue. So I've selected revenue here, comma, column index number. Usually over here what we do is we write the name of that particular, or maybe the number of that particular column. So right now we want to, because we want to make it dynamic, we do not want it to be limited to that particular column only. What we want is whenever we change the name of this particular header, the result should change. So we will not write the column number right now over here. Rather, we would introduce in another command called match, M-A-T-C-H. Okay, so that name is there. I'll press tab. See, another set of brackets have come up here, and cursor is in the middle of that opening and closing bracket, and it is asking for what? Lookup value. So what exactly we want to capture here is this one. So this is what we will look for in the source sheet. So April 17 revenue, we have selected this one, C2, but we want it to be stable. Like when I drag this command to other cells, the C2 should not change. Every time it should remain C2. But what happens is whenever you drag the command, this changes to C3, C4, C5, so it will give you incorrect information. So we want to make it stable. So to make it stable, what we can do is we can use F4 or maybe F and F4. Some laptops it works as F and F4. So see, as soon as I press F4, it adds dollar to both the column number and the row number. Okay, so that is stable now. So I'll press comma, lookup array. So where this information is available in source sheet, remember we have named it as header. So I'll write header here, H-E-A. Again, it is throwing suggestion, and which is correct also. I'll say tab here. Okay, so header, comma, match type. So since it's an exact match, I'll write 0 and come out of the command. So here I'll add 0 also, okay, because again Vlookup is also an exact match. So let's see if it's working. I'll change it to May. Perfect. June. Yeah. So what I now need to do is I have copied it, and I will paste it to other cells. Okay, so every time if you see, it's C2 only wherever I go. Otherwise it keeps on changing. See, this lookup value every time it changes. So whenever you want to fix, either you can manually add dollars to it, or else what you can do is you can press F4. That makes it stable. So I hope you like the video. Thank you so much for your time. Please like and subscribe, and do share your comments in the column below. Thank you so much. Have a great day.